What's up, you guys? We back with another mukbang. You feel me? I know I've been gone, but whatever. Let's eat. Ooh, it's time to eat because I want to eat. So we got some rice and beans, some sweet plantains, some zamiricano, avocado. And if you don't believe this, it's brown rice. Yeah. I said my prayers off camera. Yep, can eat. I left it on a little too long, so we got that. You see it. Everybody really like it, baby. That. Okay. So. I put smoked black pepper and garlic salt. I'm gonna tell you something. You eat this, you're not even missing fucking meat, honestly. I season those beans. But I'm sorry, I've been going. It's just I be trying to stay in the loop, right? But you see the, I don't know, can you see the smoke? You see the smoke, but it's not super hot, so I hope not. Not super hot, but yeah, I be trying to stay in the loop and just post consistently, but it don't always happen like that. Life be life then, so you know. I honestly wish y'all could taste it. But then again, if y'all taste it, y'all might eat it all. And then I'm not gonna have anything. And first of all, I had posted on my story a picture of my food. And if the Dominican mommies and the Puerto Rican mommies are saying they want a piece of that, okay. Okay. I need some water. Anyway, I think I'm gonna just eat. I don't really want to rant. I'm gonna bump on my nose. Ignore that. You gotta make sure, excuse me, you don't eat rice fast. It'll choke you. It will choke you. And that's not me farting. That's just me getting comfortable. What's that? Y'all know me. Get out my background. Y'all know me. What's that ass nigga? Like, no, my business. Gotta get that perfect bite. You ever heard the song? Beans, beans is good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the better you feel. So eat beans in every meal. Or is just that just me and where I live? You ever heard that song? And how true do you think it is? I gotta finish my nails. I just like shape them and stuff. I gotta like put acrylic and things on it. If I stop the camera, it's because people are like coming in talking to me. So, yeah. This looks like the perfect cookout food. Mine is just because nobody has this at a cookout. But, it's the perfect bite for me. This was a big avocado. I had half of it earlier. So, you know this was a big avocado. I gotta slow down. Cause I'm gonna get full really fast. Yo, how many people just love food? Like, the other day, I told my sister, like, I wish. That's some real life fat shit, right? But don't judge me. And if you judge me, like, who are you? You're not God. You feel me? Don't do that. Don't judge me. Because we supposed to be family and friends. I wouldn't judge you. I'll just be like, oh, that's how you roll. You know? Hit me with one of those. Like, oh, that's how you roll. Don't judge me, though, right? So, I was telling my sister, I was like, yo, I just wish I could eat in slow motion because that's how much I like food. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would just rather just to savor every bite. Granted, I can eat slower, but it's not given. You know? But, yeah. Am I the only one that like food that much? Love food. Like, I really be having to put a cap on how much I eat and what I eat because, baby, if we was in a world where you didn't gain weight when you ate, done off. I'm ODing. I'll probably even eat or try foods I don't even really eat. Okay. But like, seriously, if I didn't gain weight, my metabolism, first of all, if y'all want to, please do put down below what speeds up your metabolism. I know working out, right? Because I do that, but not like, I'm not a gym rat. I wouldn't say I'm a gym rat. No, I give myself a good 10, 15 a day. get the whole body system going. Boom, right? But like, I need something to speed up my metabolism so that I don't gain that much weight and I can just eat. I like food. And it's not like food is so comforting. It just comforts me. It makes me, it's my happy place. Shit is good. You feel me? Good. So when it's good, you know what I'm saying? That's why I want to explore mad places. That's why I want to go like to Paris and maybe like Spain and stuff like that, because anywhere actually, because I know they food gonna be lit. I know they food gonna be lit, and that's every single time. Like every time I go somewhere, that's the first thing I ask. You ate like they food tastes like it's good. Like I know that food was dry, right? You know, they hit me with that, yeah, it was good. No, get into details, babe. You getting into details about the trip. I'm glad you had a good trip, but I really don't care. What's up with the food, my boy? Like, what we doing? Was the food good? Because I need to know if I need to visit that place. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Don't waste my time. But maybe that's me. But if you share the same love, put it down below. You can say same. Throw some pink hearts up in that bit. You can say whatever you want to say, so I know that we here. You know what I'm saying? Because I love food. And if you in the NYC, the New York area, tell me some fire places to eat, because I will go there. And I will shout you out like, yo, shout out because the food is lit. But the food not lit, I'm not going to give you a shout out. Well, I'll still give you a shout out. Fly. Because my food's so good. I still give you a shout out, but I just be like, babe, it wasn't all that. It was good. You know what I'm saying? What else? Because my mind is just running now. Oh, it's this place. It's a pizza place. I'm not going to tell you the name just yet. I'm going to wait until I get it. And then I'm going to do the mukbang for it. I heard it was fire. So I want to try it. And me no lie. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to give you guys this last bite. You know, like alcohol? You're weird. Yeah, I knew you wanted to speak plain sense. Hurry up and don't put your mouth on my fork. Anyway, I'm about to go. About to get up out of here. Yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, put your notification bells on so we can eat together. Hello, and show me some love.